Okay, I'm working on mortaring the joints, and I thought I should maybe do a close-up of what I do. So I'm basically not trying to get it flat, but close. And concrete's a suspension, colloidal suspension, I would classify it as. It's really just the sand and the other mixes in water. So if you vibrate it, it'll bring the water to the top, and then you get a little bit smoother. And you kind of see how loose I have it. And I don't want it to stick up much, but I just want it to kind of get that edge, like this edge right here. I really don't want that showing necessarily. I mean, it's not a big deal if it does. After all, it is a basement floor. It's a huge improvement already. Now, I suppose I could have ground the edges of all the pieces. It would have made my then I, would have had, it would have been more forgiving on how much mortar to put in. And then tomorrow I'll sweep it and try to clean off like all this area here, because that's just kind of water. Okay, I think you get a good idea there. You can see I watered it down ahead of time. And now I'm just gonna so it's not rocket science, a little tedious. But and I'm not trying to get it like perfectly, like no trowel marks. I'm, try to not much. But when you step back, the end result over there, it's it's been drying for a day or curing for a day, and the water is pretty much gone, moisture. Here's the fresh stuff. Okay, let's keep going. And then I can move some more stuff and prepare another area.